You might be familiar with overlanding, in which people turn their trucks or SUVs into self-contained adventure vehicles capable of handling rough terrain and multiple nights in the backcountry. The niche has grown steadily over the last decade but became a full-blown movement in the past few years. Hello everyone, this is the Outdoor Gear Lab channel. In this episode, I've rounded up some of the most innovative overlanding equipment with advanced features, so you'll surely find one that will suit your style. Without further ado, let's get started.
Whether you're enjoying a day on the beach, spending several days on the road, or camping with family and friends, the F40 C4 TMP portable refrigerator meets your needs to keep your drinks, food, and snacks fresh. With the insulated fridge bag, it's easy to carry and can improve the cooling efficiency of the portable refrigerator. The pockets of the fridge bag provide extra room to store other small items, such as the cable and power station. This quiet, portable power station quickly cools and can power your portable refrigerator for 5 to 6 hours and uses low energy amounts to do so. Find 40 degrees Fahrenheit and refresh your outdoor life.
SUNFERNO tow straps. Adventure with total freedom. Easily recover your vehicle when you need rescuing the most. At 20 feet long by 3 inches wide, the strap includes versatile 7% stretch to accommodate both towing and recovery functions. With night fluorescence to make low light towing and recovery simpler and more stress-free than ever. With a heavy-duty 35,000-pound brake strength, each precision-designed, intricately woven polyester strap carries a safe working limit of 11,666 pounds. This strap has everything you need. Weather them confidently with SUNFERNO tow strap.
The DOMETIC CCF-T center console refrigerator is designed to be easily installed using only a few tools. The CCF-T is compatible with the Ford F-150 from 2015 to 2020, the Ford Super Duty 2017 and newer, as well as the Ford Expedition 2018 and newer. Today, we are installing it in a 2015 Ford F-150. Before installing, verify that you have the following 4 tools: a drill with a 3.5-inch hole saw, number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, tape, and a pair of wire sands. Unbox the unit and verify that all the pieces are present. You should have 2 foam spacers, a fan, a transparent template, a fan cap, and a top vent plate. Pre-installation and safety. So start out by inspecting the unit. Make sure not to pinch the electrical cables when you're handling the unit, and avoid carrying it by the plastic edges. Make sure you don't hold or store the unit inverted or on its side, and clear the 12-volt power cable and fan connector from their packaging positions. Installation step 1, testing for power. To make sure the CCF-T and your vehicle's 12-volt power are functioning, securely rest the fridge near the center console and engage the vehicle's power. Now plug the 12-volt adapter into the outlet in your vehicle's center console. To begin power transmission, start the ignition. The blue LED on the power switch will illuminate. If it's not illuminating, press and hold the switch for 1 second. You'll know all systems are working correctly when the CCF-T condenser starts and the attached fan begins running. Keep your hands and tools clear of the fan when testing for power. Once you know the power is working, turn off the ignition. Verify the CCF-T is powered down, and then unplug the unit and remove it from your car. Installation, step 2, drilling. First, check to see if your center console has a base mat. If it does, remove the mat. Locate the transparent plastic template. Tape it securely to the lower forward right-hand side of the console. The template will rest on the notch of the 12-volt outlet with the center line of the template running vertically. With the template in place, begin drilling the pilot hole through the center of the template. Now at this point, you can continue drilling through the template or remove the plastic template if that's easier. You'll want to keep the drill level as you drill through the plastic to cut a clean hole. And and once you've punched through, remove the drill. Avoid spinning the drill bit while it's punched through, as there are electrical lines on the other side that it may come into contact. Clean all debris out of the console and hole. Secure the fan into the newly drilled hole. You'll feel it snap into place. Tape the end of the fan power cable outside the center console. Installation step 3, preparing the console. Locate the 2 foam spacers and remove the backing from all adhesive strips. Place the foam spacer towards the console interior's rear wall with the angled edge snug in the corner. Repeat for the opposite side. Installation step 4, installing the CCF-T. Bring the CCF-T to the center console area. Plug the unit back into the 12-volt socket. Rest the rubber tabs of the unit on the upper lip inside the center console. Slowly lower the unit into the center console. Once completely lowered, verify that all CCF-T edges are flush with the center console. Locate the fan's taped power cable and connect it to the CCF-T. Once the fan is connected, start the ignition, power on the CCF-T, and verify that the installed fan is running. Installation step 5, final fit. Now that the CCF-T is installed, anchor the unit's front end by tightening the front 2 Phillips head screws. Snap the cover into place with the open vent side on the left-hand side of the vehicle. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your fridge. The only thing left is to grab a few drinks and load up. The CCF-T will keep up to 12 cans chilled, or a combination of cans and bottles.